My name is Andrei. I'm 35 and I'm addicted to board games. It's all started probably 5 or 6 years with I bought my first box, my first game, and I cannot stop since then. It was during when COVID lockdown started. I ordered my first game. I spoke to my friends and I came to their place to play. We needed to hide, to close all the window and play with a dim light because of all the restrictions. But exactly at this moment I understood it's mine. I'm passionate. No, I just got my first box. I read the rules and could not stop since then. And YouTube started recommending me new games, new game developers. I started watching videos, and I saw the new mechanics, new games, some of the games contains miniatures. I was very curious. It would be Elon Musk, and the game would be Terraforming Mars, just because I can do it better. I'm a professional. I did it many times. I think it was my first Twilight Imperium game. The box is right behind me, and our first play took 16 hours to play. We started around 11 in the morning and finished around 3 a.m. But the game is very tense and you don't really feel the time going. You keep playing. And then at the end of the day you just feel your brain burning and you need to process all the information there. I don't know yet. I never reached this phase. Every board game geek, they have 3 phases in their lives. When they start playing board games, when they fill their collection of board games, and the first step, you design your own board game. I'm still on a second level, so I don't know yet.